Hello, good afternoon. Look at the flowers in here, where we are. Beautiful flowers. I love natures, especially different colors of flowering. Look at that. Different varieties. Natures talaga. Natures. Just only around here. And it is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And this is my son Peter, my #1 model. Peter, say hello.
Hello.
Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. When you buy them in the shop, this flower shop, they're so expensive. This one, so expensive. I think they're £1 each per stem. Oh, but in here, they're only wild. No, they're not wild. They're plant them like this. They put seeds on them. Seeds. When it's not rainy season, now it's rainy season. Look at that, beautiful. Thank you. You have to admire and appreciate nature. It's beautiful nature. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. Look at this and then surrounding. Thank you. Bye.